Welcome to my video, and for today's video I will share the introductory of multimedia. And this video is a school purpose only, and this subject is empowerment technology. Introduction to multimedia. What is multimedia? Combination of text, animated graphics, video, sound delivered to you via electronic. It is what appeals to user internet, learning and research. We have the five main elements of multimedia: text, and video, animation. Text contains expressing specific information. Image make the content more visually appealing. Common image. Video adds more attraction to user. We have the audio adds interaction with the user. It can also be added as a background. Animation can include interactive effects which allow user interact with the use. Types of multimedia: learning multimedia, non-learning multimedia, online multimedia. Learning multimedia presents information and active content without any mediation. Non-learning multimedia presents information requiring user interactivity. Online multimedia use an application available with internet. Offline multimedia application presented to use even without internet. Hybrid multimedia combines features of online and online multimedia. Use of multimedia. Business communication and entertainment. The goal of using the multimedia approach is to internet business communication, product promotion, customer information. Entertainment. Entertainment involves produce computer games and develop animation. Public access of information, the ability of multimedia application that allow public. Virtual reality and advanced use multimedia. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.